are you guys? And finally, it's here, my DIY Diwali room decor. I post this almost every year, and every year I take this as a challenge to come up with new ideas. And as usual, all the DIYs are super easy to do, and I kind of made them within 2 hours. So if you have the supplies ready, you won't take much time. Also, if you're new to my channel and if you like what you see so far, then please make sure you hit that subscribe button. Join my YouTube family. I have one more Diwali video coming up, so subscribe. And yeah, now without further ado, we should just get started with this video. For the first DIY, you will need foam cutout or cardboard in circle shape, and then a bangle covered with ribbon like so. I found everything ready-made. I decided to go with the color red. You can select the color of your choice. And then just put the fabric glue on top of the foam. First stick the bangle to it and press and hold for a while. Then we also need a tea light holder, which is also easily available in the market now. You can use diya if you want. Then I'm applying fabric glue in dots around and then sticking the pearls. And then you'll need this. I don't know what it's called, but it's easily available in the market, and you just have to apply fabric glue to it and stick that to the bottom of the foam. Press and hold for a while and let it dry. This step just made the DIY look 10 times better. For this, you'll again need a foam, but in a flower shape. Then I took fabric glue and just outlined the flower and took tiny beads and stuck that onto the flower. And lucky for me, the beads were in a thread, making things much easier. If you have time, then wait for the glue to dry before moving on to the next step. Then I'm taking self-adhesive rhinestone stickers and then just outlining the flower again. Make sure this is as close to the beads as possible. I went with a silver theme for this. You can pick gold if you want. Then I'm taking this big teardrop rhinestone and applying it on top side of the petal. Later, taking red rhinestones, I am just applying it on the bottom side of the blue rhinestone. Then I took some round mirror and put it on each petal and then just stick it with the help of fabric glue. And then right below that, I am putting on 3 leaf or 3 petal shaped rhinestones and sticking that as well. And then lastly, taking blue rhinestone stickers, I am just applying it from the end of the petal towards the center, leaving a little space to keep my diya in. And yes, I had to pull out few rhinestones just to arrange my diya. And since the diya I used was a floating one, my kundan rangoli can float on water too. For this DIY, we'll start with a tea light holder and then take mini pearl stickers and start applying that to the sides. You can use it just like that, but we'll now give it a nice base. And for that, we'll use this metal plates. If you cannot find that, then just spray paint a cardboard golden and use it. I was not sure how I'll stick the holder to the base. You can use hot glue, but I decided to give fabric glue a try and it worked. Then I took some foam flowers and cut its stem, or you can even fold it, and then just glued it to the base and the tea light holder. Again, don't forget to press and hold. I went with the color pink and red. You can customize this according to your liking. Lastly, I took the 3 petal rhinestone and glued that to the base as well. I did everything on a sheet of plastic since the base had holes and I didn't want any paper getting stuck to it. First, we'll take this round things and just apply a rhinestone sticker right in the center. Moving over, the last DIY isn't really a DIY but sort of a hack. For that, you'll need marigold garland and a white flower garland. You can even make this from paper. Watch my video linked in the description to know how. And then just take the garland and form a circle like so and wrap the white garland around that circle. And to finish it, just place the circle things on top. This can be a great tabletop, or you can even use it as a rangoli. best thing is that you can undo this and use it as a garland. So that's it for this video. I really hope you guys liked it, and if you are planning to recreate any DIY from this video, please don't forget to share the pictures with me. You might just get a chance to be featured on my Instagram story or even on my future YouTube videos. So share it with me with the hashtag DIY with Dhwani, and all the links to my social media will be in the description box below. Also, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up if you would like to see more such DIY room decor videos. Then yeah, give it a big fat thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know your favorite DIY from this video. For me, it has to be flower tea light holder. I loved the way it turned out, and that's it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video now. Bye.